Okay, guys, I'm about to do it. I got everything. I do not have the helicopter manual. I can't control a helicopter. This could end badly. I don't care. I'm starting my helicopter. I'm gonna crash it. This takes a minute. Don't worry, it's starting up. Oh, it's crashing. It's crashing! And bam! And it does not move you on to the next step. Okay.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, the helicopter's gone.
No.
Machine gun's there.
Come this way now.
Now I'm scared. Sorry about that. Apparently it killed them for me to quietly record. But yeah, it was practice mode, so I didn't have to deal with them while I was doing that. Well, I escaped Granny. They come home with me gone, and the door opened. Well, again, like it says. And see ya. You wanted it, you got it. See ya.